Wala akong picture eh. Taka na. Nandito po kami nag-interview kang King Kong.
Daan ay.
Oh, ito na video ra. Pagkita lang to, mauron pag-utod. Pag-instruct, mauron pag-utod. Amo ini yung pag-utod sa. This is how to cut the banana tree, you know. This is from the Philippines, from our home, you know. This is my father. This is the one who cut the banana tree, you know. Peace, y'all. Speak English, father. Can't understand you. Slowly, baby. Don't talk to me like that. This is a real life situation.
Slowly.
You really slowly, then what?
Slowly but surely.
Okay.
Sagol hawahay, sagol kuan.
We cannot understand you. Please put subtitles. Okay.
Sige. Sige, may. Release.
Here comes Siman.
Sige. Release na, hinay.
The power of Karkarot.
Okay.
This is called the cutting of the tree.
Tingnan na tree, banana tree.
Tukan ka gani.
Okay, watch this one.
Okay, I will watch this one. Okay,
That's it.
here you go. The banana boy.
Follow me.
I will follow you. No problem at all.
Okay.
You see the reddish face? No. The Lajere and my mother. You know, this is Philippines. Maanad na kayo. Nandito rin si Moy Moy, the monkey boy. Smile ayun. Karkarot, the muscular boy.